Hello, I saw your question about 6.1, number 10 from the homework. You want to construct a confidence interval for population mean. You want 98% confidence interval. The sample mean 16.7. The population standard deviation is 6, and n is 80. So we are given the sample, the population standard deviation. So we can use the normal distribution. Easiest way to do this is with stat crunch. You go into stat, click on stat, click on Z stat, one sample with summary. And just put the information in and click compute. It'll do the calculations. You can do it by hand, but you can see the mean 16.7, standard deviation 6, sample size is 80, confidence interval. You put 98, click compute, and it'll provide you with that answer. So the easiest way, let StatCrunch take care of number crunching for you. Hope this helps.